Chapter 8. The Volcanoes. Maybe you have seen the mountains, but a volcano is a burning mountain. Out of it comes smoke, steam, gases and stones. When the volcano opens the mouth, it is called the crater of the volcano. A volcano doesn't always burn. Sometimes a volcano remains quiet for centuries. Suddenly, it is burst. This is called a volcanic eruption. When it does so, great clouds of steam, gas, ashes and dust are thrown up from the crater. Loud noises come from inside. White-hot molten rock is called lava. Lava flows down the mountain sides. This may go on for days or weeks. After some time, the volcano is quiet again for many years. Most of the volcanoes are found in the depth of the sea.
Chapter 9